Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 Bugatti Truck VIP Motorhome is envisioned to have a mobile lifestyle that is ultra-luxurious and a performance that is comparable to that of a hypercar. Even though Bugatti has not made any announcements, there are a number of speculative designs and partnerships that point to a Bugatti-branded recreational vehicle. Design and the exterior. There are anticipations that the Bugatti Truck VIP Motorhome will be a sporty and aerodynamic vehicle. Flowing lines and a horseshoe grille are two elements that are characteristic of Bugatti's design. The construction is both sturdy and lightweight because to the utilization of cutting-edge materials such as carbon fiber. Aerodynamic efficiency leads to a reduction in drag, which in turn improves both performance and fuel efficiency. Facilities and the interior. The opulent interior may provide the following: custom linens, polished wood, and fashionable leather decor are featured in luxurious living rooms. A contemporary kitchen that features high-end appliances and a large amount of storage space. A luxurious bedroom that serves as a tranquil refuge. Innovative ways to control the temperature, provide entertainment, and integrate smart home technology. Efficacy and capabilities, respectively. The RV may be equipped with a potent hybrid powertrain that is capable of producing high levels of both torque and horsepower, as indicated by Bugatti's performance history. Innovative suspension technology guarantees a comfortable ride on a variety of terrains. Improved stability and traction are two benefits of all-wheel drive. High ground clearance and advanced traction control are two aspects of the vehicle's off-road capability. The cost and the availability. As a result of the fact that this concept is speculative, pricing and availability are not clear. However, since Bugatti is a well-known brand, the price of such a recreational vehicle would probably be several $1,000,000. In spite of the fact that it is only a concept, the 2026 Bugatti Truck VIP Motorhome provides people with the highest degree of performance and elegance for living on the move. The excellent engineering of Bugatti, along with unequaled comfort and design, would cause a revolution in the recreational vehicle market for this vehicle.